you guys, including you, Geoff, you seem to have started off by just, I just want to review cars, etc., and whatever else. That kind of like that kind of brand of the channel, that kind of format of the channel. But it seems as though you've been thrusted in a way into this kind of, you've been forced to become political because of everything around you is kind of, is that an accurate thing to say? Is that perhaps that you're doing your normal life, you're just getting on with it, and then suddenly all of this comes crashing down on you, and it's just like, well, you forced me to be like this, you've created it. Is that accurate?
I think that's exactly right. And if you look at someone like Richard Vobes as well on YouTube, similar sort of thing, he starts making videos, he's going exploring, he's looking at canals. I'm making videos, I'm buying old cars, I'm telling you about Saab Aero turbos. And then as time's gone by, this stuff has started to happen. And YouTubers like myself are saying, okay, not only are these videos quite popular because people want to know this stuff, but most importantly, I feel a duty to share this with people. I have this platform, I have this reach, I have an ability to reach people and an ability to explain things. And I would feel like I was doing a disservice if I didn't share this stuff. So people that will say, oh, you're only doing this for the algorithm, you're making these videos because, for money, it's a load of rubbish. There's so many particularly car YouTubers, and again, top respect for Brown Car Guy for really dipping his foot into all of this ULEZ stuff, because there's a lot of car YouTubers who have more subscribers than us, who are making quite a lot of money off of YouTube, who will not touch it. And it's the same in the car media. You've got all of these huge car outlets, people like Piston Heads with a massive following, who will not touch ULEZ, will not touch 15-minute neighborhoods, and will not touch low traffic neighborhoods, despite the fact that these are direct attacks on the motorists who are their audience. So their audience is under attack, and they won't touch it.
It's not only their audience, it's actually the YouTubers specifically, because ultimately they want to get rid of these cars. Ultimately, let's not push your foot around this. They just don't want you to have a car. I've known about the war on cars for, my God, at least 2017, because I remember I used to go to seminars about people talking about it and stuff like that. There's a war on cars, it's getting worse, and they just ultimately don't want you to have a car. As mad as that sounds, that, they obviously, certain people will have cars, like the people who the same kind of people who browbeat us and say that we're bad people because we're polluting the planet because we keep using cars, but then at the same time get on these jets to jet set around the world and use all of their sort of big polluting vehicles in order to tell us that we need to do better. They'll be the ones to be able to keep their cars and eat the meat and all of these sort of good parity.